So it's about time to make my monthly run to the scrapyard, and I was gonna take this little 283 that came in the back old cow patty, but I've had a lot of comments from you guys wanting me to either clean this thing up or even rebuild it, but I don't think that that's gonna be a possibility. You gotta remember, this sat in that old cattle barn in the back of the truck for 17 years with critters just peeing and pooping all over it, and it hasn't had an intake on there, so you know it's not gonna be good. So I went through and pulled all the head bolts out of the passenger side. I'm getting ready to break it loose to see what these cylinder walls look like, but I bet it's not good. So one thing you don't have to worry about with this engine is, you know, being careful. So got me a little sledge and get on there. Oh yeah. There you go, folks. That's looking good, and there's actually a mud dauber nest inside of here, so let's take a closer look. So when you break an engine open, this wouldn't, you know, be ideal, but I mean, there's critters been living in there, and it's just got a little bit of corrosion in there. I can't quite make out the cross hatching anymore, so yeah. Well, at least now we know this little 283 is trash, so I'll either get a few bucks for it at the scrapyard or we could use it as a boat anchor, but what do we do next, you know? Do we do an LS swap, big block, small block? Is this truck gonna be a tire fryer, a cruiser? Do we leave it a manual transmission or switch over to automatic? Type it down in the comments below what you guys wanna see, but old cow patty, she could be something really cool, but I do wanna kinda keep it a budget truck too, so keep that in mind.